Hey everyone, in our last two videos, we have used Bookmark in Power BI to create toggle buttons and add interactivity. But we haven't really paused to understand what exactly a bookmark is. So in this video, we are diving deep into bookmarks, what they are, why they are powerful, the different types, and how you can use them to build smarter and cleaner dashboard. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to level up your dashboard UX, this will give you a solid understanding of one of Power BI's most underrated features. So first, we will see what is bookmark in Power BI. Bookmarks in Power BI capture the current state of your report page, filters, visual, slicer, and visibility settings. In simple words, a bookmark is like taking a screenshot of your report's page state. What visuals are visible, which filters are applied, what page you are on, and more. When you click that bookmark later, Power BI brings everything back to that exact same state. Bookmarks save the current filters and slicer, cross highlighted visuals, sort order, and so on. Now we will see types of bookmark available in Power BI. So when you create a bookmark, you can choose what state of your report you want it to capture. And in Power BI, we have generally four types of bookmark. First one is visual bookmark. It's also known as display bookmark. Second one is data bookmark. Third one is page bookmark, and fourth one is selection bookmark. We will see each one of its type in depth and see its use case and also see its practical implementation. And after understanding each type of bookmark, we will also see some of best practices to be followed and some common mistakes to avoid for smoother interactivity. So without any further delay, let's understand its first type, that is display bookmark. So here for this video, I'm going to use this dashboard which I had already created, and this dashboard is designed to provide healthcare management team with a comprehensive overview of hospital performance, patient trends, and billing insight. I'm not going to talk about much this dashboard because our aim is to learn what bookmark is and its type and how to implement each type. So let's move further. First, let's talk about visual bookmark or also called display bookmark. These bookmark captures how your visual look on the page. What's visible, what's hidden, their size, and even where they are placed. They are super helpful when you want to switch between two views, like a bar chart to pie chart, or when you want to show or hide extra info like tooltip or pop-up. This helps your dashboard clean, interactive, and easy to explore. So I had already explained its first use case, that is toggle between different charts in my first video. That is how to create toggle button in Power BI. If you haven't watched that yet, I recommend you to watch that video to learn how to add toggle button in Power BI. And here I'm going to explain you how you can add a display bookmark to your report or dashboard uh, using a second use case, that is create pop-up window or tooltips. And here I'm going to add a tooltip to my this dashboard, and here in this dashboard I already implemented one of the most common use cases, that is toggling between two visuals. And uh, you can see whenever I click on this toggle button, its visual is changed. And this is a example of a display bookmark, and we will see its second use case also. Before creating tooltip for this dashboard, I will explain you what exactly tooltip is. Suppose if I take my pointer here, so it's showing in September 2022, number of patient is 919. Tooltip is a way to provide more information about data points in a visualization. And like this, we will add tooltips for our patient demographic insight, billing amount by admission type, and healthcare landscape by location. So for creating a tooltip, let's quickly add shape and quickly format this as and set it transparency to 35%. Now add some more shapes and quickly format this shape also. For this shape, we will select white color, and for border, we will select black and turn on its text. And for text, we will select black color and size will be 12. So here I'm adding a tooltip for patient demographic insight visual, and inside this tool I'm going to add a text like this visual will be going to display a number of patient as per the selected field in the demographic filter. So let's quickly add text. So here I have added the text and going to place the tooltip here. Now I will add same tooltip for our billing amount by admission type visual and map visual also. So I have added two more tooltips for map and for this visual, which contain text like this visual will show the total billing amount as per selected field in the parameter filter, and this contain text. This map will show the location of hospital and size of bubble will depend upon the number of patient in the hospital. So we have added tooltip for our dashboard. Now the question come how the user reach to the tooltip window. And for this, we will create a bookmark. Just go to View tab and select Bookmark and Selection, and click on Add button. I'm going to name this as a display bookmark because we are understanding what is display bookmark. Now for display bookmark, our window will be going to look like this, and for hospital view, I will hide this tooltips. And for this, just click on hospital view and select shape and click on the I button. Again, select shape and click on I button. And also hide this shape and click on update. And for condition view, I will do the same. Just select shape and click on I. Hide this shape also and click on update. So we have added bookmark for our tooltip. Dashboard will be going to look like this. And if user haven't clicked on tooltip button, our dashboard will be going to look like this. Now we will add a tooltip button also. For this, just click on insert and I'm going to add an image. So this image I have downloaded from internet and paste it here. Now here one more important thing. Whenever you create a display bookmark, always uncheck the data because data setting saves your slicers, selection and filter. If you leave it checked, your bookmark might accidentally reset or override filters every time it's clicked. By unchecking data, you are telling Power BI, hey, don't touch the filter. Just manage what the user sees on the screen. This keep your report dynamic and let user interact freely with filter or slicer. Now we will turn on the action for our tooltip button, and in type we will select bookmark, and inside bookmark we will select display. Now whenever user click on tooltip button, tooltips are shown to the user. Now the question come how the user will return to our default view. So for this we will add a action to this image also, and just turn on it and type select bookmark again. We will select hospital. So whenever user click on this shape anywhere, it will return to the hospital bookmark. So that wrap up the concept of display bookmarks in Power BI. These bookmarks are all about what the user sees. They control which visual are shown, hidden, or highlighted on the page. Whether you are building a toggle between charts, creating a pop-up, or guiding user through a story, display bookmark are your go-to tool. Just remember the golden rule: uncheck the data option when you are only working with visual. That way, your filters and slicers say exactly how the user left them. Now, let's talk about the second type, data bookmark. These bookmarks are used to capture the state of your filter or slicer. Imagine setting specific value in slicer like choosing a certain hospital or a medical condition and saving that exact state. Later, when you click the bookmark, Power BI will restore them same filter setting, just like a preset view. Now we will discuss its use case. Let's say I want to create a bookmark for the user who want to view only emergency admission for the hospital John Hopkins and the medical condition is hypertension. I will select this value in my slicer. So for this, I have to create two more slicer, and let me just quickly create those slicer. Now I have created two more slicers. One is for the admission type and second is for the medical condition. So inside slicer, I will select values. So inside admission type, I will select only emergency, and inside medical condition, I will select hypertension, and in hospital, I will select only John Hopkins. So this is what our report looks like after setting the slicer. Now we will now we will open our bookmark, and here we will add another bookmark. I'm going to name this as a data bookmark. And in data bookmark, make sure only data is checked and displayed and current page is unchecked. Now we will uncheck display and current page. After this, we will add a button called emergency view. For adding button, just go to insert tab and click on button and we will select blank. So our button has added and we'll do its little formatting. So here I added a button for emergency view and we will add one more button that is clear all slicer. We will apply same formatting. of the emergency view button. And last step is to link this emergency view button to our data bookmark. For this, just select button and turn on its action. In actions, we will assign it bookmark, and inside bookmark, we will select here data bookmark. Our data bookmark has created. Let me just show you. First, we will click on clear all slicer. Uh, as you can see, our all filter has been removed. Now, whenever I click on emergency view button, all the filters snap back to this exact configuration. And that's how data bookmarks work in Power BI. They allow you to save specific filter and slicer states so user can jump to preset view, explore different perspective, or even reset the dashboard with a single click. Whether it's creating tailored views for stakeholders, a reset filter button, or a switching between storylines, data bookmark give your report more control, more flexibility, and a better user experience. So in this video, we explore the first two types of bookmark in Power BI. Display bookmark to manage visual layout and data bookmark to lock in slicer and filter selection. These are the building block for creating clean, interactive, and user-friendly dashboard. But we are not done yet. In next video, I will walk you through the remaining two bookmark types, page bookmarks and selection bookmark. Plus, I will cover some best practices and also show you the most common mistakes people make while using bookmark and how to avoid them. So if you want to take your Power BI UX game to the next level, make sure to hit that subscribe button and I will see you in next part.